Hello. We are doing some chemistry topic today, which is part of physics also. Electron dot structure, which is also called Lewis dot structure. ये क्या होता है? Electron dot structure. समझ नहीं आता. So, first of all, you have to make a diagram of an atom. Suppose I have taken the example of chlorine, Cl2, which means दो chlorine होने चाहिए. Now, one chlorine, you draw only the valence electrons. What are valence electrons? जो लास्ट वाले शेल में जितने हैं, चाहे 3 हैं चाहे 7 हैं, कुछ भी हैं, only the last shell electrons are to be marked. वो डॉट डॉट बना देते हैं, that's why it's called dot structure. ठीक है. Now check whether the octet is complete or not. अगर तो octet complete है, फिर तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है, वो तो independent है, happy है. But suppose the octet is not present in the last shell, so then it has to share, send, take, all these things. It will have to do with the electrons. I have written there are two types of Lewis dot structure. One is for covalent bonding and the other is for ionic bonding. So I think today we will do only covalent. इंग्लिश को थोड़ी सी खराब हो गई. कोवलेंट बॉन्डिंग and उसका Lewis structure. Now, what else do you want to know? That okay, so this is Cl2. You have to first know the atomic number. Please learn the atomic numbers. The atomic number of chlorine is 70. Now you need to know electronic configuration. We've done electronic configuration बहुत बार. ठीक है. Now configuration for 17 will become what? I'm not explaining. Please go to the previous videos and check. Kl, K shell, shell, shell. Last shell. Third shell is the last shell. Now last shell has how many electrons? 7. Okay. Now let's draw the thing here, and I'll write chlorine inside it, just to depict here chlorine का balance है, and then I'll draw you can say it is a third shell, or you may not say it because it is obvious कि last shell पे बना रहे. Last shell में है there are 7 electrons, so let's draw them. अच्छा, electrons are always in pairs. अगर एक अकेला बच जाता है तो उसको अकेला बैठना पड़ता है, otherwise 2 people like to stick to each other, like 2 electrons. So 7 make bigger. अच्छा, and in exam please make big circles, नहीं तो दिखता नहीं है कि कौन कहाँ बनाया है, ये क्या हो गया. You don't know. So 4 electrons in a valence shell. Huh? I'm repeating this again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the lone electron which does not have a partner. So this is chlorine. Now we'll try to put the octet rule here. Is this chlorine a single atom? Is it fine or it needs some treatment? No, it is not stable. Why? Because there are not 8 electrons in the last shell, there are only 7. तो अब क्या करें? एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कहीं से अरेंज करना पड़ेगा. ओके. अब लेना पड़ेगा, देना पड़ेगा या शेयर करना पड़ेगा. इन दिस Cl2 molecule there is a sharing of electron. एनीवे वो 2 लिखे थे ना, तो हमने एक तो बनाया ही नहीं है, हम दूसरा वाला भी बना देते हैं. I'll make the chlorine here, and now please don't. So you have to overlap. Okay, what you do is instead of that, I'll tell you simpler method. Because once it is drawn, it is difficult to understand. Now what will happen if I take one electron from here and put here? This octet will be complete. What will happen अगर इसका एक इलेक्ट्रॉन उसको चला जाए, so this chlorine will be satisfied. तो ऐसा करते हैं, ये है, मैं दूसरे से भी बना देती हूँ. Empty circles of electrons are for this chlorine. Okay, so and then you draw the remaining electrons for this chlorine. Now you can easily see that two of them are there, but right now they are on different atoms. So what we have to do now, later on, you please do it later only, not in the beginning. So what you have to do is let the orbit pass through the other orbit also. Oh, my drawing skills are becoming bad. Okay, this is like a eye. So इसका हम बनाएंगे, जो एक सेवेंथ रह गया ना, उसका ये बनाएंगे इलेक्ट्रॉन, और ये वाली क्लोरीन का इलेक्ट्रॉन हम, ठीक है, ये ब्लैक वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन फर्स्ट किया ना, उसका ऑर्बिट देखो थोड़ा बड़ा बना, बट crooked हो गए हैं, I know, but please bear. So this is इस वाले क्लोरीन का सेवेंथ इलेक्ट्रॉन, and this is the इस वाले सेकंड वाले क्लोरीन का इलेक्ट्रॉन. Now ये इलेक्ट्रॉन भी अब इसके पास आ गया है, परमानेंटली नहीं आया है पर आ गया है इसके पास. So now it is happening, no reaction will happen because it's satisfied, this is following the octet rule. Similarly this electron, this one, or this atom has octet rule now, 8 electrons in the last shell, it is also satisfied. That means if you have something like this structure and see they are sharing, वो क्लोरीन का बस छीन नहीं लेता है, उसने ये वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लोरीन के लिए भी दिया है एंड अपने पास भी रखा है, correct? So it hasn't snatched the electrons from you. This is a covalent bonding where you share electrons. जब इसको चाहिए इससे मांग लेता है, जब इसको चाहिए इससे मांग लेता है, पर हमेशा के लिए नहीं देता, हमेशा के लिए नहीं दे देता, शेयरिंग करते हैं. Okay, very sorry for the dirty comments. Anyways, so this is what is electron dot structure of a covalent bonds. If you make this is all you have to do and show the covalent bond. Okay, let's take one more example. Have I missed something? Octet rule, atomic number, electronic configuration. EC stands for electronic configuration, and electrons exist in pairs, both ionic and covalent bonded. Only valence electrons here, so we have covered. They are also called electron dot structures or Lewis dot structure. Now let's take one more example of covalent bonding. What do you want to take? Okay, let's try CH4. What is CH4? CH4 is methane, an organic compound which is called methane, and it has 100 uses. So we are trying to draw the structure of methane. Okay, now because there are too many atoms involved in this, CH4, the 4 hydrogen और 1 carbon है, so it will have to be dealt nicely. Okay, we are doing CH4. So at least let's write something about carbon and something about hydrogen. If I am writing about carbon, its atomic number is, I can't hear what you are saying. Atomic number is 6. So the electronic configuration becomes 4. The last shell is the second shell. Okay, and it is not satisfied because last shell में it doesn't have any electron, so this is very reactive. लास्ट में इसको 4 ही चाहिए, तो उसको चाहिए if it wants to be happy. Now let's take one hydrogen and इसका atomic number is very difficult, which is 1. This is the first element and it has atomic number of only 1. And electron configuration तो बहुत ही बड़ा है, just beyond us. This is the only electronic configuration of hydrogen. Now we are set with this. Okay, it needs 4. It can take or share 1. Correct? तो उसका एक हाइड्रोजन से तो काम नहीं चलेगा ना. It needs 4 electrons. और इसके पास एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है, तो how will it manage? Then what it does is it attracts 4 hydrogen atoms. Very smart of him. एक से काम नहीं चल रहा ना, एक रोटी से काम नहीं चल रहा तो दूसरी भी ले लो, तीसरी भी ले लो, चौथी भी ले लो. So it gets 4 hydrogen atoms close to the 4 hydrogen atoms close to the carbon atom. Okay, so how will we build a dot structure from here? एक कार्बन के पास 4, अगर मैं ऐसे बना दूँ, कार्बन के पास यहाँ और यहाँ बना दूँ और यहाँ बना दूँ, is it getting the, इसका तो शेयर ही नहीं हो पा रहा, इसका भी शेयर नहीं हो पा रहा, सिर्फ इधर से एक शेयर हो रहा है. That means this structure is not correct. So आपको थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा कि स्ट्रक्चर का लेआउट कैसे होगा. जैसे हमने सोचा ना कि 4 चाहिए और एक है तो 4 ले लो. So what you have to do is draw this carbon, single bond H, single bond H, single bond H, and single bond H. That means he arranges the rest of the hydrogen atoms around it so that it can share, it can take electrons from the hydrogen. This is the correct diagram. If you want to draw like this, it will be the छोटे वाले are the hydrogen atoms और big 2 छोटे. The big circle is the carbon atom and this is hydrogen. Okay. Now electronic dot structure. Finally, we have this. So let me first make carbon. Okay, and now I am making the last shell. Done. How many electrons do I have in last shell of carbon? 4 electrons. Now instead of pairing it, you can keep them separate also at times. If they are not being used, then you put them in pairs, but if they have to be used, then you put them separately. Now 4 electrons carbon के are needed, so I am making it separately. All 4 electrons of valence shell in there. Now it has to accommodate 1 hydrogen atom. Why 1? अगर चारों जगह 1 1 हो गया तो 4 तो इसके पहले ही है, एक कार्बन का 5, दूसरे कार्बन का 6, and like that. So it has to share, means it will have a hydrogen atom which is very close or deeper into the carbon atom, and this is what it is. It does not have any more electrons. The atomic number is 1. So now this hydrogen, how much does it have? इसके पास ये अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन भी है और ये दूसरे और कार्बन का इलेक्ट्रॉन भी है. So hydrogen now has 2 electrons. So it is satisfying क्योंकि एक ही शेल है, उसको 2 से खुशी मिल जाती है, बस खुश हो गया वो तो. Okay, now here also if I draw like this, अभी कार्बन सेटिस्फाई नहीं हुआ है, इस हाइड्रोजन का इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ है. Now again hydrogen is satisfied because of 2 electron, but is carbon satisfied? Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6. अभी तो उसको बहुत काम करना है. So another hydrogen and its electron, and the last hydrogen with the. Now see carbon atom first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this has balanced the carbon atom. Now these hydrogens also have 2, 2, 2. So that is also satisfied. So this is what the electron dot structure is. You can make it in another manner. Instead of shells, instead of making shells which becomes very dirty, you can also write it like, you put it in the same arrangement. जहाँ जो भी चीज़ है ये without lines or without circles. I have put hydrogens around the carbon. Now here, if you look here, 1 electron from hydrogen, 1 electron from carbon. So here only 1 pair of electron is present. Here also 1 pair is shared. One electron is shared. Okay, so that's how they make it 8. Here also, and here also. So this is another form of methane electron dot structure without drawing the circles. This looks neater. So I hope समझ आया होगा. It's not a very big deal. It's not rocket science. In the next video, I'll take ionic चीज़ों के electron dot structure. Thank you.